Welcome back to Must See Tech. If you're here, you must be fond of sea exploration, luxury yachts and speedboats. Today we'll be showing you the list of the most unusual and exciting water vessels that look like nothing you've ever seen. They can shapeshift, be stealthy and super fast, as well as offer luxurious accommodations to passengers. Get ready to feel the ocean breeze. But before we depart on this exciting cruise, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Let's roll! Jet Capsule. The Italian company Lazzarini's design is behind the UFO-looking yacht named Jet Capsule that could serve two purposes, of a water taxi and a comfortable recreational watercraft. And the pod sources two engines from Myanmar with combined 740 horsepower, which coupled with Hamilton jet hydrojets make it a true speedboat. After all, 57 mph maximum velocity is no joke. The buyer can choose from multiple interior layouts, starting from a bus-like interior for water transportation and going up to the luxury living room configuration with a compact bathroom. Cormorant K7. Nowadays, watercraft implement various technologies for traveling on water, with each one having its ups and downs. However, what if you didn't have to decide? The Cormorant is the first in the world transformer boat that can take shape of a catamaran, a trimaran, or a hydrofoil. Moreover, she has bathing and night modes, turning into a comfortable sea platform for water leisure. For additional versatility, K7 comes in multiple trims, with the most advanced one getting a bunkers trio of marine engines with 900 horsepower combined output. Seabreacher. If you ever dreamed of a powerboat from spy movies that could also become stealthy being half submerged, then Seabreacher definitely is an option for you. This hybrid is offered in multiple configurations, named Orca Killer Whale Y, Dolphin Z, and Shark X. All of them carry supercharged 1.5-liter Rotorx 260 HP engine that, due to jet nozzle's propulsion, make the boat super maneuverable and capable of making 10-feet jumps out of the water. Every single Seabreacher is custom designed according to the buyer's requests, so that's why it costs from $80,000. Iguana 29 amphibious boat. Have you ever seen a boat slowly driving on the beach mounted on a pair of tracks? Chances are that you have seen one of the amphibious water vessels from the French company Iguana Yachts. Their boats come in 5 trim levels, the one classic, exclusive, expedition and commuter, each designed for a specific task and according to the luxury tastes of the buyer. In the water, Iguana is a 30 feet long vessel that looks like any other boat, equipped with 1 or 2 engines with a maximum power output of 400 horses. It can travel as fast as 45 miles per hour in the sea, but on the land, its double 30 horsepower electric motors can only guarantee 7 miles per hour speed. Hydras Hyx. The best way of improving efficiency of overwater movement and reducing the rockiness of the seas is probably the use of hydrofoils. The Switzerland-based manufacturer Hydras has developed the Hyx transformer yacht that can operate in a regular boat mode or lift itself over the water with hydrofoils by 3.3 feet, improving efficiency by 30%. The prototype model is geared up with two 35 horsepower engines with 34.4 miles per hour top speed. However, the production model is expected to have 52 miles per hour velocity. Evo 43. When you look at the Evo and her price tag, you get totally confused. How can this ordinary luxury yacht be that expensive? However, this is not a traditional watercraft, it is a transformer. Besides offering posh 2 cabins and 4 baths accommodation to its passengers, after dropping an anchor, it can turn into a sea party platform with 40% extended area, reaching 20 feet in width. Moreover, in order to get to the sweetest spots of the oceans and seas, Evo's captain will have at his or her disposal a duo of IPS 600 Volvo Penta engines with 870 horsepower combined, topping the speed at 43 miles per hour. Quadrafoil Q2S. This all-electric motorboat uses hydrofoil technology to lift itself up, creating an effect of flying over water. The watercraft is emission-free, and due to the electric motor it is almost noise-free and creates only smallest waves, thus protecting marine life and minimizing bank erosion. Quadrafoil Q2S rises up at 7.5 miles per hour and speeds up to 50 mph. The 6.7 horsepower state-of-the-art electric motor utilizes two 5.2 kilowatt-hour batteries that deliver up to 49 miles of continuous operation. Did you enjoy the sea getaway? What boat or watercraft impressed you the most? Share with us in the comment section and suggest other topics that you would like us to cover on this channel. Watch other episodes suggested on this screen and subscribe to Must See Tech to help us grow. Come back soon!